Hey girl, you ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Picking this up here. Ready to go? Good. Ready to go? Huh? What do you think? Yeah? Ready? Ready? Oh, really? You're really ready, huh? Alright. I'm not really sure where that is. Alright, here we go. There we go. Okay, got it, girlie? Alright, come here. Let's put your... Alright, let that leave your toy. Here, come here. Ready? Put your life jacket on. Come on, girlie. Life jacket. Life jacket. Life jacket. Good girl. Good girl with the life jacket. Where are we going? We going on the kayak today? Huh? Kayak ride for you? Yeah, I know. You love the kayak ride. You love the kayak ride. Alright. Oh, really? You ready? Alright, get down the rocks. Good. Good. Get down the rocks. Get down the rocks. Go. Go. Get ready. I'm coming. I'm coming. No, go. Go. Yeah. What? You want to go in the kayak or what? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Getting the gloves ready, girlie. You ready? Where are you? Alright, okay. You ready? Let's go. Go. No, not yet. I gotta put it in the water. Good, get down there so I can get... Good, you know where to go. Get down the rocks. Go. You gonna get down there so you can get in? Good, go. Hey, go down. Good girl. Wait. Wait. Ugh. Hey, girlie, what are you doing? Wait, back up a little bit. Back. Wait. Good. Up. Good girl. All right, turn around. That's it. Lay down. Flats. Good girl. You're so good at that. You're getting better and better every time, girlie. Getting better every time. Look at you. Hey, you're ready to go, huh? You ready to go? All right. If we can just get on here with no issues, we'll be good to go, right? All right. Alright, stay there. There we go. You comfy? I'm comfy. I'm getting on. Alright, we're good. Good to go. Good girl. There we go. Alright. Good job, girlie. Good job, girlie. Who's a good girl? Who loves kayaking? Huh? Who loves it? You love it. You know it. Look at you. Couldn't be happier, huh? Off into the lake. Want to go around the island? Let's go around the island. We like the island. That's always a good route for us. Hey, who loves kayaking? You love kayaking? Yes, you do. Yes, you do, girl.